Hi, in this chapter we are going to learn about symbols. So symbols are the new primitive data type introduced in ES5. So as you might know, the primitive data types in JavaScript are numbers, strings, boolean, the undefined and null. So this one in ES6 they added a new type of primitive data type known as symbol. So symbol is unique and it is an immutable data type. So the most popular use of symbol is to use it as a unique ID. So let's jump into our JS bin and let us look what symbols are. So the main thing is that two symbols can never be equal. So let me show that. So I am select symbol 1 equal to, and it is used like this. Just you have to create it like this and a symbol will be created. So if I copy this and let me have this as 2, so it might seems that both of them are equal, but actually they are not equal. Let me show that. Console.log symbol 1 double equal to symbol 2, and it is false. So they are not equal. So we can also put some values inside the constructor, this constructor in a symbol, which can be used to identifying it. And let me show that. Like that, symbol 3 equal to symbol id like 3. We can give it like this. And one more thing, as you might know, we can see the type of anything with the type of operator in JavaScript is whatever it is. Like we can see if the type of it is number or something like this, or number or string, or so. Let us see the type of a symbol. Symbol 3, let me comment it out, clear it, and it is symbol. So now what we will do, we will first look into some use cases of symbol. So one of the use case of symbol is to hide some unique information in object. So let me show. Let me have this obj. Let me comment this out also first. Okay, so this obj we have, suppose it have an item of a, suppose a new mobile is launched, just like this Samsung M31s, which is launched recently. And I in the database, as a developer, we want to know when it was launched, but we don't want to show it to the end user, show it to the user who is using our website, but we want to know our date when it was entered in our database. So we can use symbol in this case. Okay, for that I want some symbol, so let this symbol be there. So I'll do like this, symbol 3. And we had learned about this data type earlier also, that we can directly use it like this. This is not specific to symbol, this is specific to what we had learned earlier. So let me give that 12 August 2020 1930 hours. Okay, so like this, console.log obj and console.log obj and symbol 3, because as see this one, when you will see, let me clear it, and the first one, it is only giving the Samsung return, it is not showing our this. So to see this we have to use it like this, but when we give the object, it is sort of hidden, it is not coming. And let me do one thing. This console is not that much good, means for object it is not showing me that much good. So let me show it here. Let me clear it. Let me run it. See, object, but this is actually hidden, as in this will actually be hidden. It will not be shown to the end user. So because it is a symbol and we have to access it like this. So let us move forward. Another use case where only unique keys are allowed. Suppose some object is there where only unique keys are allowed. So how to confirm that it will only contain unique keys and not anything else? So we can again do it by symbol key1 equal to symbol const key2 equal to symbol. I gave something wrong. The spell should be right. Let me again comment this out. Okay. So both of them are unique, as we know from the first example. So let obj equal to an empty object, then we will add this to it. Obj key1 equal to 22, obj key2 equal to Harris, and console.log of obj. Let me clear it. Let me run it. See, by default it will not show anything because as we have seen this from there, but see, this is there, the object is there, and both of them are symbol. So this is the use of symbol. So there are some other inbuilt symbol also, and if you want to learn about it, there is a very good site for that. That is SIM. Just search for symbol and MDN, and then if you go in this, you can get all the details. And the best detail which is there are some extra properties which are there in symbol, which you don't use that much, but they are there. And one of the very important property is two primitive property, which we are going to see now. So this property, it is a method which converts an object into primitive value. So it's better to see it through an example. So let me delete everything. So suppose obj1 is there, so just an obj is there, empty object, and if we do a console.log of plus obj1, so this plus obj1 is nothing but to convert anything. If you use a plus in front of anything, it converts it into a number type. Okay. Control C, Control V. The next one will be like this. We are changing it to a string, and console.log obj1 plus empty string, so nothing. So if I do a console of it, it will give me just like this, object, nothing. So now what will happen with there is a symbol type 2 primitive which we have seen. So if you add that in an object, then what will happen? obj2 equal to, and we use it like this, symbol dot to primitive to primitive P is capital, and then we'll give a hint if hint double equal to number return 10. If hint double equal to string, then return I am string, else just return true. So first let me hide it, comment it out, and this is her object. So am I giving something wrong? No, this is ending here, this is ending here. That is right. So actually we can copy this because I'm going to show these things only. So this is not obj1, now this is obj2. Let me do obj2. obj2, we run it. See, 10 is coming in this I am string and this 2. So when we are passing the number, it changes the property of object in altogether. So this is how object with symbol to property works. It is changing the behavior itself of the object. So now it is seeing it as a number, and so this one is running, this one it is seeing it as a string, so this one is running, and this one is seeing it is as nothing, so return true is doing. This is how, this is a very advanced use of symbol, but this is how also it can be used, and the main uses of symbol are the one which we have seen recently. So this completes our chapter. See you soon in the next